Yan, sarap gamitin ang bagong Patrol, Nissan Patrol 2025. Yan, magpasilip ulit tayo ngayon sa L1 TV. Nissan Patrol. Ayan ang distributor ng mga truck ng at saka van ng Mercedes. And then ito naman ang Kia at saka Hyundai. Distributor sila ng Kia and Hyundai. At doon naman sa unahan, yung last building na yan ay distributor ng Nissan products and Renault and Infiniti. Yan ang pasilip natin muna ngayon. Maya ipasilip natin ito bagong-bagong Nissan Patrol 2025 model. Hello everyone, have a nice day. Hello guys. Ayan, pasilip tayo ng new Patrol, new model 2025. You see what is this? B5 or B6. You see what you see in this vehicle or white. Check inside. Or lock. Ayan, lock muna natin. Yun. Ayan, unlock na natin at pakita natin ang loob ng punong-puno at balot na balot ng plastic. Oh, you see the beautiful car interior inside. What you get and what you see inside the Patrol. Yung Patrol nito, iba yung klase ng modelo niya, yung forma niya ng body. Kasi ito like yung likod niya, para siyang yung modelo ng Toyota Land Cruiser. Yan, buksan natin. See that? Yan, mayroong park arrestor, pinalagyan natin. At saka off-road kit. Tapos yan, yung kanyang emergency kit. Yan. At yan yung loob. You look at that inside. And then, close sesame. Then you see that. At ngayon, kung titingnan mo yung body nito, that's why three different car. If you see that Patrol, see, same like a Range Rover on the body. See the body, same like Range Rover B60. You see that side, yeah. Look at inside, oh. Ito yung bagong Patrol 2025 model. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo rito, ito yung mga adjustment niya para dito sa seat on passenger. Ayan, o. Yun. Ayan, o. Go, back. And this armrest, you see, galaw-galaw siya. And then move back. Yan. Meron diyang glove compartment. Ayan. See that beautiful interior inside. Ayan, yung kabuuan niya. Pagdating dito sa unahan, ito yung Patrol. Ayan, ang mukha niya. Ang mukha niya, Patrol. You see that? Yan, 3-in-1 Patrol in 2025 model B60. Ito ay B8. Ayan, sakay na tayo. Ito ay in-start ko na, kaya hindi ko na pakikita ang starting. Pero but I will see you that for the starting button here. And this the radio. Yan. At saka yung kaibahan nito, mga katsalban, yung particular na speed change or gear change ay di ba may handle dito, may handle. Ngayon ito push button na lang, parking, reverse, neutral, drive. Yan ang pinakaiba ngayon ng modelong Patrol na to. Then you see that how many kilometers now? 16. Yan ang pasilip natin ngayon dito sa ating gumaganda at napakagandahang Nissan Patrol 3-in-1. Look at side, inside and outside. Bye-bye everyone. Jalban TV here. Muli nagpasilip sa inyo ng isang napakaganda at excelenteng kotse na Nissan Patrol 2025. Bye-bye everyone. God bless us all. Thank you very much for your support. Please like and subscribe and become a subscriber. And to all subscribers and follow me and always support me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.